Good morning from Nagoya. We just spent the night in Nagoya. Coming from Aichi, right? Well, we're still in Aichi. This is the capital city of Aichi. We're gonna do some exploring here today, and then we're gonna head to Gifu. We might stay one more night in Nagoya, I'm not sure. Actually, we're still in Aichi, so maybe we'll leave, but we'll try the fried chicken first. We went to Nagoya Castle yesterday, so that was what we did yesterday.
This is a different one. This is not honey butter. This is I don't know, but it's good. It's crispy.
Listen, this chicken was busted. So we just had some chicken from this Korean spot, really good chicken. The chicken wings were fire, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a big fan of Korean chicken. So it's called Chego chicken. Jay, how was the chicken?
So good.
So we just came from the Korean restaurant, just had that chicken, and I've decided to head right now to Gifu.
Yeah.
That's a horse meat spot. They got a restaurant dedicated to horse meat. Not a fan. Yeah. Parking in Nagoya. I haven't had ice cream since I was in Okinawa, which was a long time ago. And I see a Baskin Robbins right there while I was driving to Gifu. I'm stopping, getting the family ice cream. My daughter seems super excited. Driving through the countryside for the last little bit has given me a disdain for the city life. I feel like I want to move into the boonies. I might move out of Tokyo to Aichi or somewhere like that, honestly. I saw this thing in the distance. If you guys look behind me, it's called the Tower Park. I'm not sure what it is, but I'll find out. So I drove down this side to get a closer look. Again, the essence of what this trip is about. Just discovering new things that I never knew existed, and just seeing what Japan has to offer in various parts of the country. Going from prefecture to prefecture, that's what we're doing on this Rolling with Ranzo series, going across Japan and elsewhere, as long as COVID-19 permits. Twin Arc Ichisanhachi is an observatory tower with a height of 138 meters in Ichinomiya City, Aichi Prefecture. The surrounding tower park occupies 20.4 hectares of the Kiso-Sansen National Government Park, Japan's largest national park, which lies across Aichi, Gifu, and Mie prefectures. The observatory floor, 100 meters up, offers a fabulous sky panorama. A Sky Lounge restaurant is also located on the observatory floor. There are plenty of ways to enjoy the massive park below, which would make any nature lover happy. We'll definitely make sure to visit the Tower Park the next time we're in this area. So I'm going to check out the river over this side. We're still in Aichi. I'm in Gifu and saw the story gate in the midst of two rice paddies, so one on that side and another one behind me. This is actually called Shojoji. So this is Shojoji in Gifu. We're 30 minutes away, about 25 minutes away actually from Gifu Castle. And that's where we're going. It's already closed, but that's fine because we can always go in the morning, but we're heading in that direction still. So I'm in the midst of a mountainous terrain in Gifu, and temporarily lost. Google Maps is with us, so we're fine, but we technically don't know where we are exactly, because we're heading to a specific spot and I stopped along the way. So I don't know exactly what this area is called, but I do appreciate the countryside, man. This is what I love, man. The city have a distant, oh, there it is. I think so. We're going to Gifu Temple. I think it's Gifu Temple right on the top of that mountain, right over there. You can't see it because we're really, really far, but that's where we're headed, and we'll go there. We'll be there tomorrow.